Hey guys, welcome back to Bit9. Today I'm going to show you how to install Sklauncher on your Mac. Sklauncher is a great alternative launcher for Minecraft, allowing you to access a variety of mods and different versions of the game. Let's get started. First, we need to download Sklauncher. Open your web browser and go to the official Sklauncher website at skmedix.pl. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any malicious downloads. Once you're on the website, click on the download button. You'll see different download options. Select the one for macOS, then click on the download.jar button and save the file to your desired location. If you notice that the download button is still loading, or if you're having trouble clicking it, try disabling your AdBlock extension using a different browser or just waiting a few minutes. Once the download is complete, locate the file. It should be named something like sklauncher.jar. Drag and drop the file into your Applications folder. Before running Sklauncher, we need to ensure Java is installed on your system. Open your browser and search for Java for macOS. Click on the link to the official Java download page. I'll also leave the website link in the description below. On the Java download page, click on Download Java for macOS ARM64 and save the file to your downloads location. After downloading, locate the Java installer file and double-click to run it. Follow the installation instructions and enter your security password if prompted. Once the installation is complete, close the pop-up and move the installer to the trash. Now, open Sklauncher from the Applications folder. Since it's an app downloaded from the internet, macOS may block it initially. If you see a warning message saying, "Apple cannot verify that Sklauncher is free of malware that may harm your Mac or compromise your privacy," click Done. To bypass this, click the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen and go to System Settings. Then, navigate to Privacy and Security and scroll down. At the bottom, you'll see a message about Sklauncher being blocked. Click Open Anyway. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Open Anyway again and enter your Mac's administrator password if prompted. Sklauncher should now launch without any issues. Sklauncher will first start updating its files to the latest version. Once open, click on the Login with Microsoft button. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft login page in your web browser. Enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, close your browser. If you see the error message, "Sorry, this account does not own Minecraft Java Edition," it means you haven't purchased the full version of Minecraft. Click on Switch to Offline Mode, then add a random username and click Login Offline. Once you're in offline mode, click on Installations Manager. Here, you can install mods, resource packs, and shader packs, and adjust settings for your worlds and servers. When you're ready to play, click Play Latest Snapshot. Minecraft should now launch without any issues. And that's it! You're all set to play Minecraft using Sklauncher. You can select different versions of the game, install mods, and much more. Enjoy your gaming experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials and tips. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Happy gaming, and see you next time.